Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Ford Mustang, a true icon reimagined for the future. Whether you're a muscle car fan or just into cutting-edge performance, this one's for you. Let's go. Exterior features. First off, let's talk about the exterior design of the 2025 Ford Mustang. This isn't your typical muscle car. Ford has managed to blend modern, aggressive lines with iconic Mustang styling. The front fascia features that unmistakable tri-bar LED headlights, and the bold honeycomb grille gives it an even fiercer look. The front splitter and wide fender flares hint at the raw power beneath. And then there's that long hood and sleek roofline, which create a perfect balance of tradition and innovation. Plus, the new Mustang offers a variety of paint options: racing stripes, matte finishes, and even a unique new grabber blue for 2025. Interior features. Step inside, and the 2025 Ford Mustang is a whole new world of performance and luxury. The cockpit feels like a driver's sanctuary. Everything is focused on you, the driver. You'll notice the sporty digital dashboard, offering customizable display options, including performance metrics and track data. The seats are sporty leather-wrapped, available in a few different trims, and they're designed for maximum comfort during spirited driving. Whether you're cruising or carving up corners, you'll feel fully supported. Performance. Now, the performance era, and this is where the 2025 Mustang truly shines. This car comes with a variety of powertrains, including a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine for those looking for balance between power and efficiency, and of course, the legendary 5.0-liter V8 engine for serious muscle. With the V8, you're looking at 480 horsepower and 410 pounds-feet of torque, sending it from 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. And it doesn't stop there. The new electronic exhaust valves allow you to customize the sound, from a quiet purr to the iconic Mustang roar. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews and insights. See you in the next video.